Hey guys, I said I should probably do my intro. We are about to go to take a 30-minute trip or so out of our town to a place called New Harmony to rip some place that has apparently some dive gaps. I'll link Hunter's video down in the description because I'm supposed to be redeeming his dive gap. But other than that, yeah, let's see what we got. About to take a trip and finally go find a place to rip that isn't Evansville. So. Alright guys, so we made it here, about to fly. So we got here, and the place we want to fly is awesome, actually. There's so many dive gaps, so many things I can do, but there's a bunch of people, so I can't get it done, sadly. But we got this thing right here. So I'm going to play around with the long bridge a little bit. I'm going to get the chance to fly the DJI FPV drone for the first time, so this is exciting too, get that on film. But let's get a little fly then at this bridge.
We started on DJI drones and stuff. Yeah. Me and my son, he's flying now, and then he about 2 years later he decided he got some of these. I'm like, we're having so much fun. We went to covered bridges, photography, filming and everything, and we're having so much fun doing that, going to different places and filming it. Let's keep that. No, he went to these. Really.
What do you think overall of like the setup I have, what I have going on there? Like, you feel like you can get the same range or more range?
Oh, it's definitely more range than regular analog.
Not quite DJI?
Not quite, but it's still good.
It's getting it. I mean, are you getting any breakups back there?
Yeah, a little tiny.
All the way back there? Heck yeah. That's a digital landing. Alright, a little nervous. 4-inch drone, big bridge, a lot of wind. Gonna be fun. Sharkbyte.
there, or actually on the controller itself has a record button.
Oh, shit. Alright, I'm gonna be able to fly the DJI FPV drone for the first time. I just watched it fly, and this thing's pretty awesome. So let's see what it can do. What's arm and everything?
You just sticks in, you'll take off in normal mode, and then you can flip it all the way down to manual. So there's a button here that flips it all the way down to manual.
Okay.
And then it'll come up with a screen prompt where you have to center your sticks, and then you can take off from there.
Okay.
So yeah, it's kind of I kind of forgot my...
Okay, man, this thing's like a movie screen. Alright, so I can just hit the...
A few moments later.
Four sensors. And 4 LiDAR sensors and 2 obstacle avoidance sensors. Oh, yeah. It doesn't like doing that.
Can you tell me?
Can you disarm it? You can't really disarm it.
Are you serious?
Should I throw my code over it or something?
Oh, shit. Dude, hold the sticks together like you did the armor.
Is that the only way? You're f***ing with me. I'm so sorry, I feel bad.
No, I don't land it manual mode for that reason.
So you have to...
I don't understand. That can't be this guy.
Range about 330 or a half hour.
It's supposed to range till about 3:30.
That's what you do when drones can't fly. Walk of shame. Alright, so I got challenged to do a dragon loop, I guess, on this thing. That bridge right there. I'm not sure if that's what the trick's called, but I'm gonna try it out. Hey guys, so outro time. Had a good time. Flew the DJI FPV drone. I don't know if I'm gonna put my whole flight in there, but I did crash it, kind of. Apparently it doesn't like landing in manual mode. I didn't know that, and I put it on its ass, or on its head. So, yeah, good day. Really fun day. New place to fly. This bridge is just awesome. Got to fly the Protek through the bridge a little bit, so hopefully that footage comes out clean. And yeah, finally, you know, a good day, good weekend, good time to fly. I had a good time. So thank you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this.